BrainyBear v1.5 AI is one of the latest AI software releases that's been getting a lot of attention, and today I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about it. If you've been looking into AI tools to help streamline your business, improve efficiency, or automate processes, this review will help you decide if BrainyBear v1.5 is the right fit for you. Stick around till the end because I'll reveal my thoughts on whether it's worth the hype. Now, first things first. You can try out BrainyBear v1.5 for free by clicking the link below, so feel free to test it for yourself after this review. But I'm about to show you exactly why it's making waves in the AI world right now, so let's dive in. The software comes with an intuitive interface, making it accessible even to those who aren't particularly tech-savvy. One of the biggest hurdles with most AI tools is their learning curve, but BrainyBear v1.5 simplifies that. It's been designed for users to hit the ground running, whether you're an entrepreneur, a marketer, or a business owner looking to enhance your operations. What really stands out with BrainyBear v1.5 is its capability to integrate with multiple platforms. You're not stuck with just one ecosystem. This tool plays nicely with all the big players, from CRMs to email marketing software, and even social media platforms. It's a game changer for anyone looking to automate and scale their operations across the board without the constant need to juggle multiple tools. Another key feature is its AI-powered automation. BrainyBear v1.5 offers automated content generation that's surprisingly accurate, saving you hours of brainstorming and copywriting. Whether you need blog posts, ad copy, or social media content, the AI doesn't just generate words, it tailors them to your audience's tone and style. This level of customization is what sets it apart from other generic AI writing tools. And speaking of customization, BrainyBear v1.5 excels here as well. The software comes with a vast library of templates and workflows that allow you to set up specific tasks tailored to your unique business needs. From lead generation funnels to follow-up sequences, it's incredibly flexible, allowing you to set up automation that mirrors your exact business processes. One feature I really appreciate is its customer insights dashboard. BrainyBear v1.5 doesn't just automate tasks, it also helps you understand your audience better with detailed analytics. The dashboard presents data in a way that's easy to understand and actionable, giving you the insights you need to optimize your strategy and boost conversion rates. The AI's predictive analytics are also worth noting. BrainyBear v1.5 can predict trends and behaviors based on historical data, helping you stay ahead of the curve. This is a crucial feature for digital marketers or business owners who rely on data-driven decisions to grow their operations. It's not just about automating tasks, it's about making smarter data-backed decisions. Now, I know you're probably wondering about pricing. While BrainyBear v1.5 is a premium tool, it offers a variety of plans to fit different needs and budgets. It's an investment, but if you're serious about automating your business and boosting your productivity, it could pay off in no time. You can start with a free trial, which is a great way to get a feel for the software before committing. Finally, BrainyBear v1.5 integrates AI-enhanced customer support, which is a big win. The software support team is available 24/7 and utilizes AI to offer fast, accurate responses, so you're not left in the dark if you run into any issues. So there you have it, BrainyBear v1.5 offers a robust suite of AI-powered tools to help you automate tasks, gain insights, and optimize your business. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or a larger business, this software is designed to scale with you. Before I wrap up, remember to check out the first link below to try BrainyBear v1.5 for free and explore how it can help you take your business to the next level. And if you're interested in other AI software that I've tested and recommend, you'll find those links in the description too. After testing thousands of AI tools, I only recommend the best. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.